Hello friends, today we will discuss the characteristic equations and eigenvalues, trace, determinant of the given matrix. How we find these types of things, right? Now we have a matrix 4 2 2 4, right? This is a symmetric matrix because of the diagonals are same and the entries are same 2 and 2, right? How do we find the firstly characteristic equation? Characteristic equation is that a minus lambda I. This is a, this is lambda I. So when we find the subtraction, this will gives characteristic equation. When we take determinant of this equals to 0, this is characteristic equation of the matrix, right? So it is 4 minus lambda, 4 minus lambda minus 4 equals to 0. This will gives two lambdas, lambda 1 and lambda 2, right? And we have a lambda 1 and lambda 2. What is that? These are eigenvalues. Firstly we will find characteristic equation, and second we have eigenvalues. But now what is the use of these eigenvalues? From these eigenvalues we will give determinant and trace of the matrix. What is the trace of the matrix? Trace of the matrix is lambda 1 plus lambda 2, which will describe as 2 plus 6, which is equals to 8. And determinant of a, we will find out by the matrix 2, but by the eigenvalues we also find out this is 12. And the matrix determinant is also 12, which is 4 4, 16 minus 4, which is equals to 12. So we will find out by eigenvalues too. It is easy when we have 2 cross 2 matrix, but it is not easy for n cross n matrix. So we will take determinant and determinant by the eigenvalues, right? Now by the Cayley-Hamilton theorem we know that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation, right? This is characteristic equation lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 12 equals to 0. This Cayley-Hamilton theorem says that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So a matrix, this satisfies its characteristic equation to a square minus 8a plus 12y equals to 0. This is verification term, so you will verify it. Now we will find out eigenvector. Firstly lambda 1 equals to 2, then take it this 2 minus 2 2 2 2. This will gives x1 x2. How to x1 x2 find out? What is the determinant of a minus lambda equals to 0? We will find out 2 1 1. This is eigenvector. And lambda 2 equals to 6. This is the eigenvector also, that k 1 1, right? These eigenvector forms a plane. This plane gives you unique solution